Today's topic dives deep into the transformative impact of LED light on agriculture. In the quest for sustainable and efficient farming, LED technology is revolutionizing crop cultivation. Let's explore how this game-changing technology influences plant growth on a physiological, developmental, and metabolic level. LEDs, known for energy efficiency and durability, provide precise control over light intensity and spectral quality. This precision is vital as different crops have unique light requirements for optimal growth. The science behind plant growth and light is fascinating. Light intensity, quality, and photoperiod play crucial roles in photosynthetic activity, flowering, and overall plant health. Studies show that manipulating the red to far red light ratio significantly influences plant yield, especially in dense crop canopies like wheat. LED lighting can enhance photosynthetic efficiency, affecting plant health and development. Metabolic adjustments to LED lighting are equally intriguing. Different light spectra impact carotenoid levels, crucial for plant health. This means tailoring LED lights to specific crops can optimize growth. In conclusion, LED lighting is transforming modern agriculture, offering not just substantial crop yield but also enhanced quality. With precise control over light conditions, farmers can contribute to healthier and more appealing produce. The future of farming is bright with LEDs,